Christmas, guys. Welcome to the Vera Project. We're going to be doing another Advent calendar, a little bit different, more kid friendly, so that way you can just throw it in the trash afterwards if you want. So at the dollar store I bought these little boxes, and they can be located in the bridal section. It's used, you know, for like favor boxes for parties and things like that. So I got a few packets. I got like 4 packets because they come 8 in each. So we're gonna do an Advent calendar with these. I already opened them up so you can see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It's a little flimsy, nothing sturdy, so we're going to be gluing these guys. It wasn't that hard to put together, but these guys we're gonna be putting on a whiteboard that I got from the dollar store as well. Okay, and then if you go on Google, you can always download free printables of anything. So I just thought, I don't know why I didn't think about this, but all of a sudden I just thought about, why don't I Google Advent calendar numbers on Google? It's free. So I downloaded numbers. There's so many different types. Just make sure you type in free printables, because there's some that you're gonna have to pay, and then make sure it's not blurry or too small kind of thing before you print it. So I got these. I got 1 through 24. So I printed these out on a sheet of paper. I cut them out. I'm gonna glue it here. And there's different ways that you can decorate this box. You know, you can color it, you can put wrapping paper on it, you can put a big bow, you can make your own numbers. But for me, I'm gonna make it as simple as I can. And I'm gonna glue it there, and then we're gonna glue it on the whiteboard. And we can make like a tree going down on the whiteboard. Okay, let's get to it. There you have it. Another way of doing an Advent calendar, you can do it with your kids, or you can do it yourself, and then you can hang it up on the wall, or you can just put it on the floor against the wall. So you can do more to it, and right now it's kind of just plain and white, but that's okay. But you can add more decorations if you want. Here it is. My kid's name there, and then I put 2021. So the good thing about the whiteboard, this board, the foam board, is that you can decorate it, or your kids can decorate it like that. So here it is, 1 through 25. Now let's go ahead and put it on a wall or on the floor and see how it looks like.